Hey guys, this is Sam, and today I want to show you Sorted, which is this really handy scheduling app that basically combines a to-do list and a calendar app in the same place, but they work together really well. That allows you to see your day and lay it out in a way that makes sense and will help you stay on task. Now at first look, you might say, you know what, this looks really familiar, and you would absolutely be right. A few years back, there's a really popular app called Clear, but it was like the to-do list part with some basic reminders, but you couldn't really schedule your day or make a set plan as to what you're gonna do. It was more like, these are things I need to do, and I'll get around to it when I can. Where Sorted's kind of the new kid on the block that's here to help you just get stuff done. And this happens in a variety of ways, of which I want to jump into right now, kicking it off with the main list view. You're gonna start out with school, personal, and work, three very basic categories that a lot of your life goals and events will fit into. But if there's not, just swipe down to create a new one. I'm just gonna call mine other for everything that doesn't fit into one of those categories. Now when you tap on these, you're gonna notice that I've got some things already scheduled in for today that I either have already completed or that I still need to work on and get done. So this is where the calendar part of Sorted comes in, because instead of just seeing a million dates in the same list, you probably want to see those laid out somewhere. So if you swipe up right here to view the calendar, you can see a dot is going to be every day that I have stuff going on. So I've scheduled all the way through the next week, but I want to tap on today just so I can show you an example of what a day in my life through Sorted looks like. Start off the day with Math 101, go down to Comm 203 at 11, lunch at 12, Anthropology 101 at 1 p.m. I'm working on this thing now from about 2 to 5-ish. I'm going to try to get some work in there in the gym done around 5, and I've got weekend duty starting at 7 p.m. So this is my entire day laid out in here, and when I've completed something, and clearly this is the most satisfying part, you swipe to the right and left. There's wonderful sounds that emit from your device when you do so, and it makes the whole experience tie together. So that's one day. I've completed a lot, but I still got a bit more to do. So Sorted's gonna hold me accountable and make sure I still get that stuff done with friendly reminders when it's time to do that thing. Creating a day like this takes no time at all. You can swipe over to Saturday and input everything that you want to have going on, because right now mine's looking little free, just a little bit. You know, we only have all 24 hours with nothing scheduled, so I want to hold myself accountable to at least do something tomorrow, so it's not Netflix and chill for 24 out of the other 24 hours in the day. So I'm just going to input some events right now. It's great. You don't have to go through that crazy, terrible pop-up where you have to swipe on times and dates. Literally, you tap on the day and you swipe up and down right here on this ruler-looking guy to move it all the way up from 9 a.m. to noon to 5 at night. You swipe like so, and it's satisfying. Just hearing the little clicks as you go along and seeing the time change is awesome. You can also create more events going down and swiping and tapping and swiping and tapping. Or if you missed something, you can go ahead and spread in between these two and create one in between that you missed before. But one of my favorite things about Sorted is all the gestures in here. Like I said, you can swipe in between to create something in the middle. Or my favorite is when you've scheduled a bunch of events at the same time, you can tap on all of them like so, and then pinch like this to make all the times spread out. So your day's gonna start at the same time, because obviously you don't really want to change that. But what is going to change is the events following it. You can spread it out, give yourself more time or less time per task. So if you fall behind on one thing, okay, just spread it out and add more time in between, and you can be flexible just like that. Or if you schedule an event on one day that you want to move somewhere else, you can once again tap on it on the left side right here, swipe up on the calendar, and then tap on another date, and it moves dynamically like that throughout the app, so that you're always going to be on track and nothing's going to get lost in the mix. I've seriously enjoyed my time using Sorted. It's well developed, very well thought out, and easy to use. The gestures were a little bit confusing at times, but once you get the hang of it, it becomes practically second nature. If any of you are interested in checking out Sorted, you can click on that first link down below in the description. It will shoot you over to the App Store where you can pick up a copy. It is fun to use, and I'm interested to hear your thoughts about this down below in the comment section if you're interested in checking out Sorted. I've been Sam. I hope you guys are doing great, and I will talk to you in the next one.